You don't have a discipline problem. You have a pattern. Because starting strong is easy. Anyone can do it. New plan, new routine, new energy. For a few days, you feel unstoppable. You wake up early. You focus. You do everything right. But then, something changes. You slow down. You skip one day, then another. And suddenly, you quit again. So what went wrong?
It's not laziness. It's your brain. Here's what's happening. When you start something new, your brain gets a dopamine spike. Everything feels exciting, fresh, rewarding. But after a few days, that dopamine drops. The excitement fades. And now, the work feels harder, boring, heavy. That's the moment. Not at the beginning, but right after the excitement ends. Because now, it feels real. And your brain hates that. It wants easy rewards, not effort. So it pushes you back to comfort, scrolling, watching.
I lost motivation. No, you just reached the hard part, the part that actually matters. So how do you fix this? Simple. Stop trusting motivation. Start expecting the drop, because it will happen every time. Instead of saying, I'll stay consistent forever, say this: when it gets hard,
Even if it's small, even if it's just 5 minutes, because consistency is not about intensity. It's about showing up when you don't feel like it. That's the difference between people who start and people who finish. So next time you feel that drop, don't panic, don't quit, recognize it.
That decides everything. And if you push through it, even a little, you break the pattern. And once you break that pattern, you stop being someone who quits and you become someone who finishes.